I did 50 meatballs. That's half of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4. That looks good. Now that they're frozen, I have my sauce heating up on my NV e-heater. Ow, it's hot. Ah. So I'm even saving more energy. I just cooked pasta in a half a liter of water. And I heated this up. It's a lot of sauce. 32 ounces. Ow! Jar's real hot. Alright, we're going to heat it up, put the lid on it, wait for it. The fact that I was heating the sauce before I even put it on the frozen meatballs. It's been at a boil for about 5 minutes. Looks good. Ow! I touched the lid. Oops. Then we got our pound of radiators. I cook those in a half liter of water. Most efficient way of cooking pasta. And you only get it on my channel. And why do we use radiators? Look how well they hold the sauce. Nothing like pasta on Sunday. Making a little mess on the table. We were going to do spaghetti and meatballs, but radiators work better. Clean up the sides. Now you know why we use radiators. 31 ounces of radiators absorbed 32 ounces of San Marzano sauce. Look how well those meatballs held up. Those are my gluten-free. You can find those on my YouTube. Best tasting gluten-free meatball recipe. Yep, and that could be all you. And they are so soft. This is not like those hard meatballs. They're moist. Yummy. That's my dinner.